Her question is it compulsory for me to accept Islam to read the Quran? Can I read the Quran without accepting Islam?
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
This is a good question. That is it compulsory for me to accept Islam to read the Quran, or can I read the Quran without accepting Islam? As I mentioned in my talk, that the Quran was revealed as a guidance to the whole of humanity. It's not necessary that you have to be a Muslim to read the Quran. But inshallah, if you read the Quran with an open mind, an unbiased mind, and an open heart, inshallah, after reading the Quran, inshallah, she'll accept Islam. That's the reason Yusuf Islam, in an interview, he said that it is good that I read the Quran before meeting the Muslims. He read the Quran and accepted Islam. If you have met the Muslim before in the Quran, maybe you wouldn't have accepted Islam. So the Quran is the best example. It is the guidance for the whole of humanity. And your friend can very well read the translation of the Quran in the language she understands the best. And if she has any query, she is most welcome to ask on the email or to our foundation at www.irf.net. Hope that answers the question.